What's up, how you guys? TK Profit back from Profit Takers. We hop on at the top of the week to identify what the volatility will be in the market. Then we identify trade setups to take live with you guys. So let me go ahead and head over to TradingView. Let Facebook in. IG, did they make it in? They didn't make it in. It's all good. Let's let TikTok in. Parth, what up? How you doing? Oh, got it. I'm actually waiting on this entry right here to get tested on Euro Pound so we can take this buy. What's up, Motive? How you doing? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but Jim, how you doing? Let me make sure this thing doesn't take off without us. Shaq, what up? We took two sales on US 30 yesterday. One stop loss got hit. This one right here is nicely in profit for us. And we also still got this entry right here at the highs. If US 30 fails to break back above this high, we should have a continuation of this downtrend. So I'll just use the alerts right here since we're already in this setup. This is my entry. Air, what up? Chris. Oh, Euro Pound. Let's see. Raylan, what up? How you doing? All right, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and place this Euro Pound setup. Right now we're at a key level on Euro Pound. If this area holds, we will definitely see a continuation of this uptrend. Got a lot of stop losses right above the highs too. Let's see. All right, let's go. Diving in. Make sure I put my trade in. It also took a EA, Euro AUD buy. Let me see how that thing is looking. You put a stop loss right here. I mean, the alert right here. Let me know when it's headed towards if it's headed towards our SL. So after we put in these trades, man, I just set alerts and I keep it moving. I really don't stare at trades, man. Put the trades in, make sure that we're protected with our risk reward, our stop losses, making sure that we're not over leveraging, and you just let your alerts notify you when there's something that you need to do as far as a change, as far as moving your position into profit, or notifying you when it's going in the opposite direction. Oh yeah, let's get in that. This is a key level we were taking a look at on Euro JPY. So with these key levels, what I do is I identify these areas where we have these multiple rejections in the market like this. Okay. And when you reach areas like this where price is underneath it and it's acting as resistance, or you see price above it and it's acting as support, the only thing that you have to do to put yourself in a good position to take advantage of that setup is set an alert above that area and beneath it. And when you get a solid break, we wait on the retest just like this, and we take it going in the opposite direction. So we got our alert triggered during the London session. And we're going to take this, set the alerts. You're very interested? Man, it's fun, man. It's fun because it's not only learning a new skill, it's really learning yourself. That's what I tell everybody trading is. Trading is learning yourself. Once you get in, you get a test with your will. A lot of people, they show interest, they get in it, they make a few mistakes, and they fucking quit. So your first test is your will. Then it's your test to acquire new material information. Then it's the test of wisdom to actually use it and apply it. And then from there, you just get a big sense of freedom because you're working everything together. So mastering the market is self-mastery, man. So I encourage everybody to take a look at it. Yeah, let's make sure this stop loss is above this area right here. You got the right approach, bro. There is no tomorrow. Ain't no next week. It's only right now, for real. The sooner you start or commit, the better you'll be. Because it's always going to be a learning curve. You can't avoid the learning curve. But practicing not being committed, that's an even bigger problem. So I'm glad you said that. That take a lot of courage to drop that in the chat too. So that's a win for you already. We're going to celebrate your win.
Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah!
Big win. Love that. Infinite wins. So I'm taking this sale, man. Euro JPY sale. Appreciate the follow, Z. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Sydney, what up? All right, cool. So this week, oh, I appreciate the follow, bro. So for the guys that want to learn, you can actually start for free with us. Okay, you can head to our website, profitakerzu.com, and I walk you through setting up your demo account and your live account. So when I'm live, you'll actually be able to take these trades with me on that demo to get comfortable. And then from there, you'll be able to just go ahead and place them in your live account, man. Let's see. Cool. We just took that sale. You've been doing it on and off for 3 years, finally locked in. That's what's up. That's what's up, Kevin. Man, if you want to make sure you hit those profit goals, make your goals more so discipline oriented. And I guarantee you, you'll be hitting those profit goals easily. All right, cool. So we got these two euro setups. US 30 is dropping crazy. Deep in profit on US 30. We also jump. Oh, damn. We got in Euro AUD. Okay. We're looking for a pullback. We do got an imbalance right there. And that's about 50% of it. Yeah, let's leave that zone right there. Look at that. So we're going to have to protect this position right here on the 4 hour. We just got to be aware of what we see. This is how you stay true to yourself, not getting caught up in what you want to happen, but what you actually see on the chart. This chart is giving us a double top at the highs. It broke beneath it and gave us another bear flag that it retested. So great chance that this area can be hit again. So we're going to protect this position. Okay. When price is making higher highs, I want you guys to always remember you will definitely see pullbacks. Pullbacks are not a reason to be afraid when you're in your swing trade setups, but you have to be aware of, like I said, when to protect your position and where is a safe place to move that stop loss. So let's just say this is a valid area, just for the sake. Right here, these are the areas that the market created higher lows, my apologies. So right here, hold on, I see a question, Kevin, give me 1 second. So right here, if we enter down here, this high right here is the safe point. This pivot low, this is where we need to move that trade to protect it. Okay, we got the 200-day EMA catching up down here at the low, so we need to see what happens without taking ourselves out of our position. Okay, so Kevin, you say I just took it as extra income right up the top. Oh, yes, sir. That's what you're supposed to do. Like, use the business that you're in to create a means for you to invest. You always want to get to a place where you can let your money make money for you. So I love that for you, Kevin. So Kevin for the win. Kevin for the win today. Let's get a win for Kev.
Win. Yeah.
Y'all, we only hit that for trades, but I like the way y'all talking today, man. Hopefully that'll inspire somebody else in the chat, man. Use your income and make money from your money. You see LRHC is the ticker symbol. It's going to 50. Let's check that out, because right now we're kind of waiting. Let's see what you're talking about. Man. Going to 50. Where you get this news from, man? Who told you this thing was going to 50? Let's see. All right, so with these charts, told you guys we love swing trading as an approach, so we get to hold our trade setups longer and maximize our reward with minimum risk. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, wow. Hey, man, this thing looks crazy. Hopefully you got some news to support this. Okay? I would really like you guys to understand how investing works and get away from these unicorn trades, because that's what this is. This is a unicorn trade, but they work. Okay, don't misunderstand me. People are definitely making money identifying unicorn trades. Yeah. This one looks crazy. But what happens is when you have these relatively highs being put together in the market like that, you have stop losses above it. There are systems that refer to that as liquidity, but I'm just use stop losses to keep it simple. So there is a reason to break back above this area. Now we need this 200-day EMA to get a little closer, okay? So let's assume that this is support down here at the lows because we honestly have no way of telling with this thing because it's been so impulsive, okay? We do not know what the low is. That's why I like trading things with a little more history. So let's say, for instance, this is the low. I would definitely suggest that you just trap price and leave this the fuck alone. Okay, you got your 200-day pretty far away, so you can go down to this 4 hour and place an alert above, what is that, right under 25 cent, and place an alert below right here. And this is what you need to wait on. You really don't need to know too much. People think you got to learn everything about trading before you can execute it properly. This simple concept right here will get you paid. Understanding how to trap price, how to properly identify when you are in consolidation. From here, if this thing breaks beneath, you get a retest, it's going to sell. How far? I don't know because we don't have any history. But on the buy, if we get a break above and we get a retest, this thing can definitely easily retest this area here, and that risk reward looks nice. You don't have to look at candlesticks. Now they all work, so please guys don't take me wrong. All of those things work, but you don't need that shit. This market is real simple. I guarantee you don't have to take my word for it either. Just go look at the charts yourself. Start spotting consolidation. I guarantee you it's only going to happen that way. You're going to see consolidation. It's either going to break beneath and give you a retest and move, or it's going to break above, give you a retest and move. Now, this is the only thing that you'll see. Mark my words. I like that. If it went back up, oh no, if it break above this is a good buy. So you don't have to wait that long, Kevin. But yeah, the only other thing that you'll see is you'll see a clean break. Price will start creating higher highs without retesting that level. But while it's doing that, you'll notice this. It's creating relatively equal lows. From there, you'll see a break to capture the money right there, and then it'll make that move, which is still the same thing for you. Nothing changes. The only thing that you wait for is this level to be retested. I don't care what goes on outside of that. Keep it simple. And just to show you, that's exactly what we did on our last couple trade setups, man. Exactly what we did. So that extra US 30 sell that we just entered, let me get rid of the things that make it complex, those candlesticks, okay? If you just take a look right here, this is consolidation. This area right here, this is where consolidation broke. Price didn't it retested immediately. I fucked that word up. I ate that word up. It didn't retest immediately, okay? So I just waited. Price pulled back, hit that level, and we dropped in profit. You don't need complex strategies. You don't need to understand all of the terms in the market. It's a lot of things to keep you distracted. That's what it is, okay? So even with our original sale on US 30, where are we? Well, this buy, same concept. We entered that buy at the lows. T Hardy, appreciate the follow. Okay, you are on. Yeah, we caught this buy too. Matter of fact, let me show y'all that buy real quick. Hold on, let me get back to UT. So check out this buy. normally don't have time to post all of these trade setups while we're taking them, but this particular one, we actually posted it. Let me let this thing pull up. So right at the lows on US 30, we saw bullish divergence. A couple things came together. Look at this shit. That's our entry on that buy. We got almost 1,400 pips on that thing. So we got in right there. Immediately after getting in, it turned in the opposite direction. And we took the sell from the highs. From simple concepts. So that was our buy. This is our sell. Same approach for each side. So you say you're on Euro USD and you're confused if the market is going up or going down, and grab liquidity before going down. Let's take a look at that, because I was actually looking at Euro USD as well. It looks like it's just about to be a period of consolidation, really. All right, cool. So this is what I did on Euro USD. I am thinking the same thing, buddy. So T Hardy, we're on the same fucking page. Right here above this area, we got a lot of stop losses. So this move to the upside to retest this daily zone definitely could be exactly what you described it as, a liquidity grab. For people that don't know what liquidity is, it's just stop losses or money. When people or retail traders, we find the area that we believe is valid, we start protecting it. So for the people that think this thing is going to buy, all their stop losses are here. The people that think it's going to sell, they got all of their stop losses here. That's why I told you guys, the main thing that you need to do is identify consolidation. Because if you can do this, you know where the money is. And if you identify where the money is, it's easy to spot market manipulation. Because that's what it is. It's a fucking game. You just got to learn how to play it. Now on the daily, what did I see up there? Okay. Man, it might break above that. Ooh-wee. It dropped down here, hit this daily level, and is using it as support. I say we be safe, T. Let's be safe, because it's Tuesday. We had heavy Euro news, and we didn't get a breakout. So I would wait till Thursday. Let's see what's going on in the news Thursday. Okay, so we got Euro news Thursday. Yeah, it's nothing going on. Leave it the fuck alone. Let's wait until Thursday's news. From there, we'll be able to get a better idea of what's going to happen. So if we get a break above during London, I'm most likely going to look for that sell. Okay? So let's just use these alerts and keep it moving. You're just holding, that's fine. If you entered your buy beneath this area, or if you entered your sell above this area, it is definitely okay to hold. Okay? Definitely okay to hold. It's just for the people that were looking to enter in here. This is trash. I do not trade within consolidation. Tammy, what's up? How you feeling? So no, that's good. That's good, Kevin. So right now, it really look like it's nothing else for us to do, okay? That's why at the top of the week, we look at the news, because everything will eventually trade in consolidation. I don't necessarily care to get caught into that shit. So I'm always looking at the news to see where we can get a breakout. Those breakouts are normally be a drop beneath or a break above. So that's how you can really make it safe for yourself. Wait until the news aligns with the breakout that you're looking for. So I'm going to try to make that simpler as far as my wording. If you are looking for a breakout and it's a Wednesday and you don't have heavy news, don't take it. If you see you're in consolidation, it's Tuesday, but the next heavy news day isn't until Thursday, that's when you need to look for your trade setup. That was one of the things that held me back the most when I first started trading. Not my inability to identify a setup or execute it, but my timing on the setup. I showed up too damn early. I'm excited because I learned something new, so I'm ready to apply it. and I'm over trading in the wrong areas. Then I half blow my damn account. It'll make the move that I was looking for, but without me in it. And then I was whooping my own ass. So that's another reason that we stress timing, and we also stress personal development, okay? You got to be aware of the way you speak to yourself and be kind with yourself in the process of learning this thing. So this will be it for today, you guys. I appreciate y'all for hopping on with us. We're going to go ahead and close it out. Everything that we're looking at is in consolidation. No need to overdo it. Appreciate that follow, y'all. Appreciate that follow. So y'all be great. I'm going to go ahead and close everybody out. If you want to start trading with us, you can start for free. The hardest thing is to stay disciplined and trust the process. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So that's exactly why we structured the company the way that we structured. Trading is simple, okay? I let people trade with me for free just because it's that fucking easy. The difficulty and the thing that people avoid the most is their mindset. That's why the only way you can work with our company is to go through our mindset series, Structure Breaking. We put it in place to help you overcome you. So when you get a decent setup, or when you get put in a proper position, you don't let your fear stop you from executing the way that you need to, so you can create the freedom that you're looking for. That shit is all in the mind, man. But again, to start with us to trade for free, you can get that trading essential bundles for the people that don't have your account set up. For the ones that do, you'll get access to the Discord, and you also get a complete trading plan, which is a piece that a lot of people are missing, okay? Outside of that, you guys be amazing. Let me type this thing in here. Oh, I thought I could. I guess I can't. Well, I don't know how to do that yet. I'll figure it out. I'm new to TikTok. So just show you guys a website, ProfitTakersEU.com. You'll get access to Discord, or you can get that free product that I told you guys about. But all right, TikTok, y'all be great. For everybody else, let's run y'all through the system properly. We're gonna hop off. We had to let those other people off. Again, to join us, you can either get that Trading Essential Bundles. We're gonna walk you through those processes for free. You also get the free trial to our Mindset Series, Structure Breaking. Along with that, you get our 6-week journal to help you become more intentional with your words. And we have a few books available on Amazon as well. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. And our log books to help you guys log your trade setups and your emotional state in the process of executing. Outside of that, we got merch, so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and to join the team, you can get that beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, remember, you're one trade away from living. Yes, sir. Why fight to stay the same? Winning profit,